1 point lead. Outlet pass to number 21. Bumomba. Bang! Nawala ni number 12. Number 29. Siliano. Nasa kata. Behind. Nawalang bola na. Ni number 20 pa din. Hindi na makayo ko. 10 seconds to shoot. To number 12. To number 20. Fire for 3. Good. For 3 points. Number 5. Alindada.
14-10. 4-point lead by Fantasy.
To number 15. Pull up J for 2. No good na rin ni number 21. Pinulot ang bola init siya. No good pero may foul. Foul number 2. First personal foul. 13 foul. Shooting 2. Hige is cutter. First throw is pasok. Second throw is pasok. Number 12. To number 0 Australia. Pull up J for 2. No good na rin number 3 Roman. Bakit ang lata? To number 5 Alindada. To number 77 Bodek George. Bound pass na wala ang bola. Out of bounds. Time out. Fantasy. Dito sa harap. Isa pa.
Score natin is 14-12. 2-point lead by Fantasy at 2:38 in the first period.
Para silang ulang. Nakakalungkot.
Ito po mga ganda at mga pogi ng Chaong. Ayan.
Kaway daw kayo. Kaway.
Piling-pili yan.
Kaya mahalin sa buhay yun.
Rex!
Back to the ball game. Bola ng mga manlalaro. Number 12 for the inbound to number 0 to number 12 again. Number 0 Australia. Naipit. 15 to shoot. To number 12. De La Cruz to number out of bounds. It's the same ball. 12 seconds to shoot. It's a putek ball. Nya. Yan. Isang bola. Ayun ba yan? Bunso. Suyo nga bola. Sige, isa mo. Salamat. Si Barabay. Oh. Ang tahimik no? Parang nasa show ni Papa Dudut Number 12 to number 20. Pull up for 3. No good na pulot ni number 0. Umikot. 10 to shoot. To number 12. Check to number 29. Nag-isip ng gagawin. 5 seconds to shoot. Crossover na ipit. Pinilit. Peer trap is no good na pulot ni number 15 to number 3. Nawala bola na ni number 3 pa din. Number 3. Kyle Braxton. To number 77. George. To number 5. Oy. Number 50, 13 pala yun. Ganon. No good na rin ni number 77, George. Pero may foul. Foul number 03. Holding hands. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Inbound for number 5. Number 5 nagana mapapasapas to number 13. Pull up J for perimeter is no good na rin ni number 21. Put back is no good pa rin na rin ni number